Hi everyone, my name is Rudrang Kriyam and I am participating in the Shipperton Hackathon by RevenueCat. As the name suggests, it's all about shipping, and for this I have decided to work on the project Meshing, a mesh gradient app for the Build in Public challenge. I decided to work on 3 features on the first day. The first 2 are a feedback by a designer, and I was very happy to get a feedback from a designer because I made this app for developers so that they could directly copy the code of the mesh gradient into their Swift UI projects. So a designer reached out to me that they do not need to use Xcode and they would want to export the mesh gradient directly into their project. So I added this feature. When you click on export, you get the option for the width and the height, and the format can be PNG or JPEG. Then I click on export and then it would export it directly into my photos. After I implemented this, they reached back to me and gave me the feedback that it was a good job, validation that I craved for. And they told me that another idea that they have is that it would get a bit of hassle that you have to export every time, and as a designer they would want to copy it to Clipboard and directly export or paste it into Figma or Sketch. So I decided to implement that as well because that was an excellent feedback. So when I export, I could with the same width and height and format, I can go and copy it to Clipboard. When I was using this app myself, I saw that maybe I would need to have my beautiful gradients. Like for example, I added this new template feature last week, and like I have this sunset glow gradient that I really love, and I would want to have this as my wallpaper. So I would go export, toggle this use device resolution option so that it can directly take my resolution of my iPhone, and then I can export it, and then from the photo set it as a wallpaper, which is I think is very convenient because there are so many beautiful gradients out there that I have added a templates and something that you can create yourself as well, that I feel like having them as wallpapers is definitely a good choice. So these were the 3 features that I worked for the first day. Tomorrow I plan to take on some more feedbacks from the designers. I hope I get some more feedback from the designers out there, but I have some roadmap already that I have in mind, and I want to improve the iOS UI much better, because right now I had deported it from a macOS app to an iOS app, so it does not look as native as I would expect it to be. So that's something that I would work on for this week, and let's see how that goes. So see you tomorrow.